your shoulders some long breaths work. It also helps in anxiety and coming over any kind of anger management. Do not move your shoulders. It's just the hand and the stomach. Try to take your mind to the center of the chest.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be happy to have to take it forward in the years to come in this yoga day every year, which is going to happen on the 21st of June. So this is very great day. Yoga is not a new thing, and what my team members have already told you that it has started thousands of years ago. Everywhere it was being done, but it has been made official as an international day from the 21st June 2015. So keep doing it good. It is good for your spirit, mind, and bodies and work-life balance to keep yourself mentally happy as well as a physical fitness. Thank you.